Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class second year chapter number 3 integration. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 3.4 question number 5 part number 9, 10 and 11, that is most relevant for papers point of view. So let's start question number 5. Evaluate the following integral. Part number 9, that is integral 2x divided by 1 minus sine x into dx. So first, as it is, integral 2x divided by 1 minus sine x into dx. So next, which is equal to integral 2x divided by 1 minus sine x by rationalization. So 1 plus sine x divided by 1 plus sine x into dx, which is equal to integral 2x into 1 plus sine x divided by 1 minus sine x into 1 plus sine x into dx, which is equal to 2x into 1 plus sine x divided by 1 minus sine x into 1 plus sine x is equal to 1 square minus sine square. So 1 square is equal to 1 minus sine square x into dx, which is equal to integral 2x into 1 plus sine x divided by 1 minus sine square x is equal to cos square x, which is equal to integral 2x into 1 divide cos square x plus sine x divided by cos x dot cos x. Cos square x can also be written in this form, cos x dot cos x into dx, which is equal to 2x 1 divided by cos square x is equal to secant square x plus 1 divided cos x is equal to secant x. Sin x divided cos x is equal to tan x into dx, which is equal to 2 first integral x secant square x into dx plus x secant x tan x integral of secant x tan x into dx, using by integration by parts, that is which is equal to 2 into integral x secant square x according to Euler rules. Euler rules, that is first I for inverse function, L for logarithmic function, A for algebraic function. So algebraic function, that is x, and T for trigonometric function. So algebraic function first, that is x first function, and second trigonometric function integral secant square x into dx minus integral derivative of first function, that is x integration of second function, that is secant square x into dx plus first function is algebra function and second function is a trigonometric function, secant x tan x, which is the trigonometric function. So first function is x, integration of second function, integration of secant x tan x into dx minus integral derivative of first function, that is x, integration of secant x tan x into dx, which is equal to 2 into x, integration of secant x is equal to tan x minus integral derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1, integration of secant square x with respect to x is equal to tan x into dx plus x, integration of secant x tan x is equal to secant x minus integral derivative of 1 with respect to x is equal to 1, integration of secant x tan x is equal to secant x into dx, which is equal to 2 into x tan x minus integration of tan x with respect to x is equal to natural log cos x plus x secant x minus integration of secant x is natural log into secant x plus tan x plus c. Dear student, next question number 5, part number 10. So first, as it is, integral e power x into 1 plus x divided by 2 plus x whole square into dx, which is equal to integral e power x. So adding and subtracting 1 in numerator form, 1 plus x plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2 plus x whole square into dx, which is equal to integral e power x 1 plus 1 2 2 plus x divided by 2 plus x whole square minus 1 divided by 2 plus x whole square into dx. So 2 plus x square cancel, which is equal to integral e power x into 1 divide 2 plus x minus 1 divided by 2 plus x whole square into dx. So let's suppose f of x is equal to 1 divide 2 plus x, then f prime of x, it means first order derivative is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 plus x whole square according to formula. Therefore integral e power x into f of x plus f prime of x into dx, which is equal to e power x f of x plus c, by putting the value of f of x and f prime of x, so which is equal to integral e power x into f of x is equal to 1 divided 2 plus x plus f prime of x, so minus 1 divided 2 plus x whole square into dx, which is equal to e power x into f of x, so f of x is equal to 1 divided 2 plus x plus c, which is the required solution. Next, part number 11. Part number 11, that is integral 1 minus sin x divided by 1 minus cos x into dx. So first, as it is, integral 1 minus sin x divided by 1 minus cos x into dx, which is equal to 1 minus sin x can also be written in the form of 2 sin x over 2 cos x over 2 divided by 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x over 2 into dx, which is equal to integral 1 divided by 2 sin square x divided 2 minus 2 sin x over 2 cos x over 2 divided by 2 sin square x over 2 into dx, which is equal to integral 1 divided 2 1 divided sin square is equal to cosecant square x over 2 to cancel, sin x over 2 square cancel, so cos x divided sin x minus cos x divided sin x over 2 is equal to cot x over 2, sin over cos is equal to cot x into dx, which is equal to integral e power x into minus cot x over 2 plus 1 divided by 2 cosecant square x over 2 into dx. So let's suppose f of x is equal to minus cot x divided 2 then f prime of x is equal to derivatives of cot x with respect to x is equal to minus cosecant square x x divided 2, again derivative of x divided 2, which is equal to 1 divided 2, so 1 divided 2 first, which is equal to, using by formula, therefore integral e power x into f of x plus f prime of x into dx, which is equal to e power x f of x plus c, by putting the value which is equal to integral e power x into f of x is equal to cot x minus, so this minus is equal to from plus minus, f of x is equal to cot x divided 2 minus f prime of x is equal to 1 divided 2 cosecant square x divided 2 into dx, which is equal to e power x f of x, so f of x is equal to cot x over 2 plus c, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.